Hello, this is Richard Arfsten. I'm the sculptor who designed this piece. I call it Compatriots. And to me, what it represents is the original colonies banding together to stand against England at the time of signing of the Declaration of Independence. I also see this as any group of people who feel like they're getting trampled over by the government that's in power, banding together to make a stronger voice, to have their objections heard. Since this is an abstract piece, it can mean anything you want it to mean. And just because I call it Compatriots, you don't have to call it Compatriots. It can be anything. It can be a group of your companies that your corporation has acquired. It can be anything you want it to be. I just have a problem. I have so many of these things, I gotta name them. And I like to have some kind of a story so I can separate one from the other. The primary use of this little piece of sculpture is as a maquette. That means it's a model that a metal fabricator uses to enlarge from. And it's also an architect's tool that he shows to a client to explain how it would work in relation to his building. If you hold this maquette up in the air close to your eye and put the base, your eye close to the bottom, it looks very, very large. If you put the maquette lower than your eye, then it becomes either small or how you would see it from up in the air, like if it was viewed from a high rise and it was in the courtyard, something like that. I frequently get asked, where would I use a piece of sculpture like this? Well, this is what all these pictures of the design in settings is addressing. So, you can see that you can use it in a corporate setting or a residential or a park or a grand vista. You can even use it as a piece of desktop art or something on a shelf. What sculpture is, it's a very sophisticated piece of advertising. It's made to convey ambiance, to set you apart from the rest of the people. If you had an interest in purchasing this design, you would want to get some kind of an idea what it would cost to enlarge. And that is why all these pictures in the round are here to show you what it looks like straight on or over from a higher vantage point. This information is enough for a metal fabricator to give you a ballpark idea of what it would cost to build. And my marketing concept is that you handle that yourself. When you buy it, I mail it to you, and you have the metal fabricator in your area build it for you, and have your landscaper install it and do the site preparations. You know, you don't have to hire me to do that. If you want to hire me to do all that, I can do that too, you know. It's just that it's not part of the maquette. That's an additional fee. So I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible. There's more of my sculptures on sachiart.com/Richard Arfsten. If you're interested, take a look. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and a better tomorrow.